Man, that's awesome there. And remember what I told y'all? I wanted to click on this for sure before we got out of here. Remember, I told y'all the secret sauce is this thing called the outlier score, okay? And so it's over here on outliers. That's the tab that I clicked on. And let's just say that we're in the make money niche, okay? So instead of just showing you popular videos that have gone viral and done all this stuff that, you don't know if it's right or not, or if it's going to work for you or not, Spotter, it actually calculates how well this specific video in this specific niche on this channel, how well that video did and how well it's performing based or compared to the other videos on that specific channel. So that's what makes this different, y'all. And that's what is going to be that secret sauce that's going to help us here and really help us grow our channel. So it says, this is just some randoms, right, of different, like all of YouTube. And so this is just going to give us a little gist of how this works. So it says, no, I don't want to do any of those. Let's keep rolling. So it says, Kendrick Lamar is back outside, squabble up music video reaction. Now, this video got 173,000 views, and it is doing 1.1 times better than the other videos on the channel. So that's all right, okay? But like I said, to keep it on point, let's go to make money, okay? And let's just see what it says. That's cool. You can also find specific channels, even better, all right? So this is all of YouTube. The audience also watched my favorite channels or my videos. So as you can see, here are some of the different videos that are doing well right now. So the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. Now this was done on 11/24. It says 116,000 views, and it's doing 1.9 times better than the other videos on their channel. So we got 2.1, 6.6. All right. So it's telling people how to make money with this easy crochet mini butterfly keychain. So it's doing 6.6 times better than all the other videos on their channel, and it has 37,000 views. So that could have been one that we might have wanted to do, right? And so not bad. From 0 to 2.8 million, make money with infinite money glitch. 55,000 views. That's 3 times better than any other video on their channel. So as you can see, this can really help you, all right? This can help you find those videos and then really brainstorm from there. So all you have to do is click on brainstorm on a video. Power keywords are here. Hey, we're right on time for